Hey guys, how's it going? How you doing today? I hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the gang. My name is Faye, and like you can tell from the title of this video, I'm coming at you live with a try-on haul and a lookbook from Shein. I got a lot of goodies and I had a lot of fun filming this video, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Comment down below what your favorite outfit was, if you have one, and if you're looking for the details, I put them down below for you, so check that out. So I'm gonna keep this intro super short. Enjoy the video, guys. I will see you next time.
Thinking, maybe it's the life I always wanted. I've been thinking tonight. I'll never be cool with the cool kids, but look who's laughing now. I'll never fit in with the in crowd. We had a falling out. I've been thinking, maybe I'm the man I used to wanna be. I'll never be cool with the cool kids, but I'm cool enough for me. But I'm cool enough for me. But I'm cool enough for me. Woke up a mean king, tease me for following my dreams, but now he's some protein, hoping I'll join his pyramid scheme. I laugh, but honestly it makes me feel just a little sad. But maybe I should thank him, maybe I should thank my dad. I've been thinking, maybe it's the life I always wanted. I've been thinking tonight. I'll never be cool with the cool kids, but look who's laughing now. I'll never fit in with the in crowd. We had a falling out. I've been thinking, maybe I'm the man I used to wanna be. I'll never be cool with the cool kids, but I'm cool enough for me. But I'm cool enough for me. But I'm cool enough for me. I'll never be